Hello, I am Kodili-nye. I just want to show you this little video. It's a reaction video about Obijackson and Co. and top guys for Igbo land in the high sea abroad. And we're going to be talking about it. It's just for you to just watch what is going on here. They call it August meeting in the deep. So we are going to be talking about it. Stay tuned. I am so Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. This is a reaction video. Remember to like, comment, and share. And we are going to be discussing because this is what we are talking about. If we are going to succeed in our homeland, what we need to do. Yes, welcome back. I am still Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. Remember to like this and comment, and remember to share and subscribe. And we are going to be talking about this is our daily claim of men and women of timber and caliber. They are in a yacht, in a high sea, in oversea. And these guys are multi-millionaires or billionaires, whatever you call them. And they are spending huge on this yacht. So now what I want to ask is this. Can't we bring this thing to our homeland? Look at the beautiful river from River Niger down to Warri, down to Imo. Think about that. Can we bring this yash into our homeland? Look at the Agulu Lake. Look at the Uguta Lake. Look at the Ugurugu Lake. These are beautiful places that we can transform into something of this. And the mega rich will come and drawing tourists upon tourists. When I talked about changing the narrative in our homeland, I am very passionate about it. I don't know why our governors, our politicians has not looked into this, to tap into this. Because these guys are spending millions abroad. I'm not talking about Nigeria. I'm talking about, Anibo, Akuluno. We can bring this thing. What stop the government of Anambra State from replicating this in the River Niger? From Anam down to Obaro. It can be done. This is not a rocket science. They can be changed for good. And the mega rich will come to wine and dine in our homeland. And this will change the narrative in our homeland. So when we talk about these things, some people think we are joking. I am passionate about these things. I am passionate for the development of our homeland. I am passionate about Akuluno. I know that the governor of Anambra State, Charles Chukwuma Soludo, talk about our land being a land of final destination. But it's easy said than done. He said it, but how can we make it if a simple things like this we cannot put in place in our homeland? This is the one for the government. Soludo and other governors in Anibo, what are you waiting for? We have a lot of people that are very rich. They are looking for something like this. They are looking for it to spend their money. providing security also. Very, very important. Now, turning to Kubana and guys, this is what you need to do for the love of your homeland. This, you said this is August meeting of Ndimpa, as you call it. Why not bring these your friends, bring these investors, bring these millionaires into your homeland? You can easily change the homeland. You alone, you are a great man. You can change the homeland. You can turn around this River Niger area. You can turn around Agulu Lake. I know that government was talking about changing Agulu Lake, although was encumbrances or delayed by Agulu community. But this is the time men and women of timber and caliber should arise in our homeland and take the development of our homeland very serious. Take it as something like a crusade. Is very, very important so that we can change our homeland for good. So there is no point. We don't have another home. We don't have another place. Remember, Anamaloma is known of Wanezi. Charity must always begin at home. And that our home is Anibo. That our home is Anambra State. Onitsha. We can make Onitsha to be one of the greatest. Ndị anyị na ha gbalụ si that Onitsha bụ Lagos nke anyị. Obi Kubana, ka anyị tọọnụ ke na Onitsha. Ka ọ bụrụ something of something that cannot be seen anywhere. Look at the River Niger. Look at the River Niger. We've been dumping all manners of rubbish into this River Niger, polluting the whole place. I know that the government doesn't bother much about the pollution level, but you and your friends and other billionaires and millionaires, we can partner together. Let us change the narrative. Let us change our homeland for us and for future generation. This is the time we need to wake up. We cannot continue to sleep. Anyị alarụgola ọtụtụ oge ka anyị tete n'ụla. Ka anyị tete n'ụla. Anyị agarapụ mmiri ka ọ na-ama anyị. Anyị agara ga na-edozi mba ndị ọzọ ba anyị atọmọlụ. Biko, Obi Kubana na ndị ọzọ niile, ndị dimkpa ama m na na-eme August meeting. Ọ dị ka comedy. It looks like a comedy. But let us bring this thing to our homeland. Let us bring this thing home. Let us bring that wealth. Ana amalụ mma isi n'ụlọ wepụba ezi. Let us not continue to deprive our homeland this great opportunity. Why we are giving this wealth is also to develop our homeland. This is a time that all of our men and women of timber and caliber should all wake up. Let us develop the homeland. A land flowing with milk and honey. The politicians will not tell us this because of their own selfish ambitions and because of their Nigerian political handicap, because they don't want to develop our land. They don't want the sons and daughters of the poor to be gainfully employed. This is the time for men and women of timber and caliber to arise, take the bull by the horn, and change an Igbo. Anyị nwere obodo ọzọ. Obodo anyị ga-adị mma. Please, I don't know what you think about this. Do you think we're making sense in this channel? Do you think our message is spreading around or are being heard by people? To make this message to go viral, even to reach to be Cubana and many rich people, please like, comment, share to many people, and also subscribe. I want to hear from you. Your opinion in this is very important. Your comment is very important. I do appreciate new subscribers and returning subscribers. I am still Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. Have a wonderful time wherever you are, and God bless. Bye.